kind of keep it straight like that, or you can add a little bit of floor tom to that. So that adds a little bit more flair to it. So it's so. That's pretty much it for that every time it goes into the vamp. Now again, tons of open spots where you can kind of fill it in and really, I mean, work that portion of the song. I'm only showing you just the real pocket version, just for lesson purposes. And this type of song also, you don't want to overplay. Again, it's everyone's different. But this was just showing you sort of the different ways. So again, on the vamp, you can just keep it straight. So make the hits on the cymbal, or you can again add a little bit of a flair to the floor tom. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, it was more of a laid back instructional video, more so just showing the important pocket, I guess, of the song and the different things you can do to set up different areas of the song. I would urge you to listen to the actual versions, Hezekiah Walker, or there's different versions online from different churches that do it, which I thought was very cool because everyone has their kind of their own flavor to it, I guess you could say. Nonetheless, again, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and look forward to seeing you guys soon.
Thank you for watching another UPCI Music Ministry video on YouTube. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Also, make sure and subscribe to our channel in order to get the latest content videos and tutorials.